Well, hi, this is Greg over at DIY RV and Home Camper's Life. Today I'm in Deadwood looking at this beautiful wood carving business, and we had the opportunity to talk to one of the artists last night, and she's agreed to tell us a little bit about it, tell us a little bit about her, about the business. So without further ado, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Lori Reilly. I am a wood artist. Started out as a canvas artist, been doing art for 30 years now. Got the opportunity this last June to come work for Dahl's Chainsaw Art, and I'm loving it. Learning a new skill. Get to use the power tools. They bring them to me like this. I do not carve the bears, I'm a finisher, and I bring the life out of them. Love my job. Come and see us.
So what kind of tools are you using to create this?
Just power tools. We can use flat grinders, Dremel tools, these kind of things. Take a sander to it, put a nice finish on it when we're done. Throw some marbles in those eyeballs, and you got yourself a cute little bear.
There you go. So are you guys open 7 days a week, or?
Every day.
Every day?
Every day. We stay open basically all year long. We're here for sales. We'll finish in the shed all year long.
Okay.
Of course, sales slow down in the winter because we get a lot of snow sometimes.
Yeah.
But the statues are still out here. They're good in weather. You just keep them varnished, and they'll last you a lifetime.
Nice. So, do you also have a website that they can go to?
We do. We do have a website. We don't sell per se off the website, so you can't go in. It's not a catalog. But
Gotcha.
you can we can see what the things we've done in the past. Our owner here, Jordan Dahl, has been carving for 15 years. He's absolutely amazing, and he does a lot of location work. So if somebody has an old tree, they'll cut down, and he'll come out and carve that.
So he does some special commission work also?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah. If you're local, he doesn't.
Yeah.
I don't think travels too far. He's got a family and young man.
Very understandable.
Yes, yes. So, but yeah, that's my world. So I get to come and play with my animals all day long.
Well, I want to thank you for taking the time to talk to us and tell us a little bit more about it. Of course, as we're talking, we're looking at some of the other stuff that's being made, some of the work that you've done, which is specifically the bears.
Right.
So
starting on eagles next. I just had a bunch of bears to do, so we knocked those out. These eagles will be the next ones to get finished.
Well, thank you very much for your time. I'll let you get back to it because I know you're busy.
Yeah, as you can see.